Let's do War on Drugs, Occasional Rain off the new album, I Don't Live Here Anymore. There's the intro, but before we talk about that, there's a capo on the 2nd fret. Otherwise, we're in standard tuning. This is the intro. D. E minor. B minor. That repeats. And then it goes into G, D, A. G, D, A is like the transition in this song. So when they change between the verse and the refrain or in the instrumental section, they usually do that by going G, D, A. So we play G, D, A, and then we go into the verse chorus progression, which is the main progression of the song. It's most of the song is G, D, A, B minor, A. And he's playing arpeggios, and he's just not playing them, straight up and down. He's like jumping around between the strings. So I'm just trying to emulate that a little. But you could just play it when they're into the verse. They're just kind of strumming along. And then D, E minor, B, A is the chorus. So the intro chord progression is the same as like the refrain chord progression. But most of the song they stay on the verse, which is G, D, A, B minor, A. Here's an easy way to play the B minor. You could just play this little stair step shape on the top 3 strings. That's similar to what he plays. He plays it with the pinky as well. But you could just play it on the top 3 strings. That works pretty good. You play that open D string if it sounds good to you. There is an instrumental section. That's the chorus or intro chord progression. D, E minor, B minor, A. But then they add a couple extra B minor A's in there. And then to get out, they go G, D, A. So it's really just the chorus progression, but then as they come out of it, to kind of extend it, they go to that. They do the B minor to A a couple times. So. So something like that. All right, that's pretty much all I got for playing the rhythm guitar on that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.